Mitosis is the second main stage of the cell cycle, during which the cell's replicated DNA divides and two genetically identical diploid daughter cells are produced.
The first stage of the cell cycle is interphase. In interphase, there are stages. The first one is G1, then synthesis, then G2. The form of DNA in interphase is chromatin, and the DNA has 46 chromosomes. Then, in interphase, cell grows and carries out normal cell processes, and DNA replicates itself.
The first and longest phase of mitosis is called prophase. During this stage, the nuclear membrane disintegrates, the nucleolus disappears, the DNA condenses into the form of chromosomes, in which each chromosome contains the genetic material that was replicated in interphase. Each half of these chromosomes is called sister chromatid, and they are attached by the centromere.
The second stage of mitosis is metaphase. The sister chromatids are pulled by motor proteins along the spindle apparatus, which contains a whole structure, including the spindle fibers, centraloids, and aster fibers. They are important because they organize the chromosomes before the cell division. The sister chromatids are pulled toward the center of the cell and they line up in the middle or equator of the cell. Metaphase is one of the shortest stages of mitosis, but it's really important because it ensures that the new cell have accurate copies of the chromosomes.
The third stage is anaphase, where the microtubules of the spindle apparatus begin to shorten. In this shortening, the sister chromatids begin to separate into two identical chromosomes. All the sister chromatids separate simultaneously. And at the end of anaphase, the microtubules, with the help of motor proteins, move the chromosomes toward the poles of the cell.
The last stage of mitosis is called telophase. During this phase, the chromosomes arrive at the poles of the cell and begin to decondense. The two new nuclear membranes begin to form, and the nucleoli reappear. The spindle apparatus disassembles, and some of the microtubules are recycled by the cell to build various parts of the cytoskeleton.
Next step of the cell cycle is cytokinesis, that will divide the cytoplasm, and this results in two cells, each with identical nuclei. Then, the cell cycle repeats with each new cell.